Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Let's slice data with Saurabh. So till now we have done a lot of work on Python and MS Excel. So today we are focusing on some data management or data scope kind of thing. Means when you go for any project, you have to do some project management work as well, like scope document, knowledge document, and all. So in that there is one matrix which is very important. Before that, I just want to let you know that in my channel I have uploaded 10 videos on Python, right from starting, means like how to install a Python, how to write your first code, what are the various data types, how you can write if else as well. So everything is there. Go and watch, and we will continue that. But today I took some break here, and I will start on this RACI matrix. And in MS Excel, I have uploaded already 12 videos. If you don't know anything about MS Excel and Python, go there, watch those playlists from the beginning, and you can definitely start writing the codes from by yourself. Definitely you need practice, but that will definitely going to help you, because I have explained everything in a very simple way. Means I have not make complicated things means like for you. So guys, let's start with this RACI matrix. RACI matrix can be applicable in any IT project, in any IT organization, in any kind of project if you are working there. So let's begin. I hope my screen is up. So RACI matrix means what? RACI. Each letter has its own meaning. This basically we have to include the scope document. Scope document is nothing but when you start any project, they will definitely take some scope, basically where we have to work, how many, let's say if you work on a particular product on a location, so they will decide that okay, your products, let's say your number of products are 1,000 which we have to work on, so that they will not come back and say that you have to work on 2,000 products. So the scope document is important, and the RACI matrix is equally important, and you have to keep that in the scope document. So RACI. So let's start with the R. R is what? Responsible. People or stakeholders who do the work, they are responsible. It means everybody is responsible. Whoever is involved in the project, if there is something went wrong, starting from the team which is selling that particular project, and the team who is working on that particular project, and going to the end customer, and when they are verifying that, if anything will go wrong, everybody is responsible. Now the things are bit change here in the IT industry, that everybody, several people can be jointly responsible. Means like who promise a lot of things to the customer and the person who is delivering as well. So everybody is responsible. Just remember this thing. Who do the work? Manager, analyst, consultant, senior manager, reporting manager, whatever, means like the sales team, customers, the clients, stakeholders, users, everybody is responsible for the success of the project. So this is very important part, that is called R. The next part is called A. What is A? A means accountable. Okay, everybody is responsible. The project went wrong. There is something wrong in the project. Everything has gone wrong. But when you do this like accountable, means when you come to the pinpointing someone who is the owner of that particular work, who is responsible for the data cleanup activities, that analyst, that consultant is accountable. Responsible, everybody. Accountable, the person who is doing that particular kind of task. He has to make sure that okay, I am doing this particular work, and this is my responsibility to do that particular job in the given time frame. So I am the accountable for that. Okay. So responsible, the entire team. Accountable, the person who is owning that particular job, whether it is a data cleanup activity, writing the algorithm, presenting it to the customer. So analysts, consultant, managers, they have their own role and responsibilities. So they all are accountable for that particular kind of work. So RA. Then we have to come to the C. This is a very simple concept, but you all have to understand that. Who is consulted? Consulted are the people in the loop. Your let's say your managing director, MD. He should be in the loop that okay, what is going on in the project. Sometimes he will come and ask, hey, what is going in the project? And you have to inform him everything that okay, this is what we have done till now, what we are doing right now. So everything you have to inform, and he should be in the loop. Let's say if there is any major problem happens, then this consulted person can take action on that. If they are very responsible or very experienced people, you can go and ask them for help as well. That, sir, I am getting stuck into this particular case. Can you please help me there? So R, responsible, A, accountable, C, consulted, and then in the end, I. I is nothing but the stakeholder, what I believe the customer basically. He should be informed, because he will not ask every now and then what is going on, what is not going on, and he is not going to help you as well because he's giving the money. So he should be informed that, okay, what is going on, or maybe the salesperson, the top salesperson, because he has promised something to the customer. So he should be informed. He should be kept in the picture that, sir, I am facing this particular kind of issue. My accountable team is getting this kind of problem. So can you please help me there? Or if there is anything big happened, or the data is not great, or we need more data, or anything like that. So he should be informed so that he can talk to the customer and come up with a solution. So RACI, responsible, accountable, and consulted and informed. This matrix is very important, guys. When you go into the corporate world, they will talk in this language. Then you don't worry, because this is very simple thing which you have to understand. I hope you like this video. Please, you can share it and subscribe this channel so that you can learn new things. I have already informed you that I have already created playlist, and playlist for what? Python, MS Excel, and data. I'm going to keep this video in your data list so that you can easily understand that. Hope everything is going great. Keep learning. All the best. Bye.